What percent of 455 is 152? Anytime you are going to see words what percent, simply mark them by n. Of stands for the multiplication. And I'm going to have 455 is equal 152. Now let me rewrite this equation one more time, and I'm going to have n times 455 equals 152. Now I have to find value of n. N is multiplied to 455. In order to eliminate 455, I have to divide both sides equation by 455. So numerator and denominator are going to cancel out, and I'm going to have n equals 152 over 455. Check if we can reduce this fraction. We cannot. Now we have to get back to our problem. Problem is asking you what percent, means we have to convert this fraction to percent. We said that anytime we want to find percents, we have to multiply the number or fraction by 100%. I'm going to convert this to improper fraction. Please notice that in the numerator I have 455, and in numerator I have 100. Anytime you have numbers which end with 5 and 0, they are divisible by 5. So I'm going to divide 455 by 5, and 100 also I'm going to divide by 5. So I'm going to have 152 over 455 divided by 5 is 91 times 100 divided by 5 is 20% over 1. We cannot reduce anything else over here, so I'm going to perform multiplication. I'm going to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. So I'm going to have n equals 152 times 20 is 3040% over 91. Now let's divide 3040 by 91. I have 3040 divided by 91. 91 goes into 304 3 times. 3 times 91 is 273. Subtract, and I have 4 minus 3 is 1. Borrow 1 from here, this is going to be 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, now I have to bring down 0. How many times 91 goes into 310? 3 times. 3 times 91 is 273. Subtract. Again, I'm going to have 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 minus 7 gives me 3. My answer is going to be equal 33 and 37 over 91%. Okay, so this is equal 33 and 37 91%. This is the solution to my problem.